Hello, so I'm continuing with this book here, The Guyana Pharmacist. This used to be out in the 70s. There's a nice section here with some drugs that they are for you can get from the interior and the use, cuts, wounds, groundage, also skin eruption, how you can use these local herbs. It's interesting. There are two sets, another set here. You have a group of pharmacists here. This is Mr. Bacchus, Carl Bacchus. This one is Carl Bacchus. He did dispense, No, this is Carl Bacchus. This is C. Mangal. This guy here is C. Gobind. This Jaiwanti Narain. Later became Jaiwanti Bacchus. This is Daniels. We have Pasad Juke. Pharmacist Juke. This is Bacchus. C. Pasad. Not C. Pasad. And the top is Daniels. This is Singh. Pharmacist Singh. Mano. Jeffrey. Nitrogen powder. This was very popular in those days, as you can see. These are really old books. Jaikaran Pharmacy. This used to be in Water Street. He was a dispenser, Mr. Jaikaran. Evans Pharmacy. Can't remember this when I was a little boy. It used to be where Church's Chicken is. Evans Pharmacy. Razak and Boj. I think he became Dr. Boj. His daughter is a doctor now. This is Mr. Razak. Here's the article, Pharmacy, a vital link. List of pharmacists registered to practice in Guyana in 76. So this is the book here, the pharmacist, the Guyanese pharmacist. Now I'm going to look at, this is some kind of booklet that they have. Let me see. They have the name of the drug, the strength that you'll find it in, form, inject, how, the route of administration, and the use. So this is an old book. These dispensers, you would have these in their workplace. They would have these here. Gelatin injection. They would use this for now. Corticotrophin. Gelatin injection. Corticotrophin, zinc hydroxide. Sulfametazone sodium. These are really old stuff. Hydroxychlorohyacin, butyl bromide, micrograms, milligrams, dosage and strength. And so these are really old books. So this is the textbook that dispensers would often have with the dose. And so then we have Medicine Digest. This used to come, I think, every 3 months or every 2 months, or I can't remember the regular, but these used to come through the mail to the dispenser. This is with another book called the MIMS Caribbean. So I have nice articles in here like ischemic heart disease, Medicine Digest, the topics they cover in: hepatocellular carcinoma, leprosy, management of disorder of growth and sexual, letters from London. Wonder where they print this in. Let me see. Medicine Digest, England. See, it's England here. Printed by Boards of Bedford College. So there are a lot of doctors and so contributing to these, pharmacists, doctors, Medicine Digest. I managed to save, we managed to save 2 of them, I think. I don't know where the other one is. We saved 2 of them. This is an old nursing book, general textbook of nursing. You can find a lot of basic stuff in here. Their books, nursing books, not so easy. So introduction to many things, explain simple disease, sickness. You can read and understand it easy. These are basic stuffs. Some of the instrument that you use for examination nurses. And so you got a Bell's palsy. You talk about Bell's palsy. This since the 60s. Neuritis, epilepsy. People, with having these books in your house, you should be well versed since all these years. Acute infection, influenza gripe. Used to call influenza gripe. Then you have so these are some of the stuff here. Acute rheumatism, rheumatic fever, non-pulmonary tuberculosis. These are stuff that old people used to study during the British time here. What is inflammation? Symptoms of inflammation, the termination of inflammation. So they cover a lot of interesting topics. Examination of bone, how to splint a bone, and all this stuff. Anyhow, these are old books. Evelyn Pierce, textbook of nursing. This one came out in 2003. This is a handbook of essential drugs. Ministry of Health essential medicine list that they use. And this is a old book. This one is a Mark manual. Now they have new copies reprinted. This is a 14th edition. This